Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial for you guys on this look. I'm going to be using a lot of Too Faced cosmetics. Too Faced sent me a package with all of their new sculpting concealers. Okay, so the line's called Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I got these in a bunch of different shades. I'm going to show you guys how I created this look using those and a couple of other Too Faced cosmetic products, and I also used some other products that I will list all down below. My lashes are from Dodo Lashes, and I will also link everything down below so you guys can take a look at them. I also have a coupon code that you guys can use for the lashes to get a little money off. So for those of you that don't really know, I've been trying to come back into the YouTube scene, trying to make videos again. I'm actually probably making more on Instagram because they're really simple to make and fast. So I'm going to try to continue and make new videos on Instagram. I want to make new videos on YouTube as well, but life happens and I get so busy and so hectic sometimes, or sometimes I'm just lazy and I don't really want to do anything because I work full-time. Those of you that don't know, I work full-time and I work in construction, and I'm not saying that I sit in an office and file paperwork. No, like I go out to job sites, and I don't actually do any construction myself, but I do go out to job sites. I estimate projects. I travel all over California sometimes, and it takes, sometimes I have to leave at 5 in the morning and I get home at 8 o'clock at night. So my days are hectic sometimes, and when life happens, you know, I come home, I want to be with my kids, or I just want to, you know, do nothing. On the weekends, I have a lot of family and friends. We always have things going on, so I really have to make a point to try and get videos done as much as I can in between a bunch of things that I have going on. So I really try my best to do them. It's kind of late in the game to explain that, but I just want to let everybody know, just if you were curious. If you guys like this look that I just created, go ahead and keep watching and I'll show you how I got it. So first I'm going to start off using my Too Faced Hangover Primer. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Born This Way Absolute Perfection Foundation, and this is in the color Warm Nude. And I'm just going to apply a really thin layer of this because I'm going to go in with some other product on top, and I don't want it to be too thick, so I'm just going to blend this into my skin with a beauty blender. Okay, so I received the new Too Faced Cosmetics Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. So I'm going to use these for my highlight and contour and concealing as well. I'm going to start off with a darker shade to contour. I'm going to go in with this color, and this is the color Chestnut, and I'm going to use this just for my contouring. Then I'm just going to go in with this little brush here and blend this out. Okay, so now I'm going to take my beauty blender and just kind of blend this in a little. And I know I'm looking all kinds of crazy right now. Alright, so now I'm going to get a lighter shade. I don't know what color I'm going to get. I think I'm going to probably use Porcelain. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and use this as my highlight. Okay, and then I'm going to just blend this out with my beauty blender. Now that I have all that on, I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. So now I have my eyebrows on, and as you can see, I kind of did them a little bit differently than I normally do. Let me know if you guys want me to do a little tutorial on that. Okay, so now I'm going to do my eyeshadow, and I'm going to use the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I'm going to use the concealer as a shadow base. Okay, so the first color I'm going to use this one right here, and this is Peaches and Cream. Okay, And then I'm gonna take this color in Georgia, and with the same brush, I'm just gonna apply it here to the outer corner. Before I go any further, I completely forgot to bake. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to set my under eye because I can see this is gonna crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Morphe R39 brush. This over here, this is called Charmed, I'm sure. And I'm just gonna apply this right into the crease. I'm gonna go in with this Summer Yum color, and I'm just gonna blend that right on top of this other color that I just applied, just to kind of warm it up. I feel like that is kind of a darker, not really a warm tone. And then with a clean brush, I'm just going to soften the edges of that. And then I'm going to take a flat brush, and this is from Royal and Langnickel. This is just a regular little flat brush. And I'm going to take this color here, Delectable, which is a dark purple color, and I'm going to apply this right here onto the outer corner, and then I'm going to just softly bring it into the middle. I'm going to take this brush that I used earlier for my crease, and I'm just going to soften that into my crease. And I'm using like really soft, small strokes. And then if you feel you have too much product on your brush, I always have like a little towel that I use to wipe it onto, just to clean it off. So I'm gonna wipe it off, and then I'm just going to just barely like tap and sweep in the middle. And then I'm just like continually cleaning the brush on that little towel, and I'm just going to soften it up. Alright, and now I'm gonna take this color, this color here, Cobbler, and I'm just going to apply this just on the inside here. And this one like really is gonna complement that purplish color. And then I'm gonna like just tap it just a little into the middle just to blend it. And then back with that clean brush that I used earlier, I'm just going to blend it all out. Okay, then I'm just going to take some butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, and I'm just going to enhance my contour a little. And I'm just going to go back in and bake a little bit. Then I'm just going to take like this little brush here from MAC. It's like a little dense brush. It's a Morphe, I said not brush, a Morphe R10 brush. And I'm just going to buff the powder into my skin. Then I'm just going to add some blush, and this is the Tarte Exposed Blush. And then I'm going to go back with this purplish color here, Delectable, and a small flat brush. I'm going to just apply this under my eye. And then I'm going to go in with this color here, Luscious. Then I'm going to set my makeup with this Hangover 3-in-1 face primer. Curl my eyelashes, add some mascara. Then I'm going to take this Pixi Eye Bright Liner. I'm going to add this to my waterline. And then I'm going to add lashes, and I'll be right. My lashes are on. And the lashes that I used are from Dodo Lashes. They are in D318. For my highlight today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome, one of my favorite highlighters. Okay, now for my lips, I'm going to use the MAC Subculture Lip Liner. And I'm going to add the Dose of Colors, and this is a lip gloss in Can You Not? Okay, so here's my final look. I hope you guys like this tutorial and try out with the new Too Faced Cosmetics concealers. It's something really nice for the summer, especially for like a summer night out. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.